This is part 2 of my eczema series. In Chinese medicine, eczema isn't just a skin problem. It's your body's way of telling you that there's something inside that may be out of balance. And of course, in Western medicine, eczema reflects both internal and external factors, from genetics to immune sensitivity to your stress and environmental triggers. All of these may contribute to eczema. Now, one key difference in how Chinese medicine manages eczema is that we don't just see it as one illness. In Western medicine, eczema is known as atopic dermatitis. It's one type of illness. But in Chinese medicine, we know that, okay, eczema can show up as many different patterns. For example, there's wind heat, damp heat, blood dryness, and even spleen deficiency. And that means when two patients come to me, both of them with eczema, I may have to treat them a different way because both of them have different patterns. So one common example is one of them might have too much internal heat, right? Too much heat inside, and that shows up as more redness. And another person may have a weaker digestion. And that's why in traditional Chinese medicine, treatment is always personalized. We don't just treat the skin. We have to help rebalance the whole body so that the skin can recover more easily. And in managing eczema, Western medicine shares a very similar approach. Once you manage the triggers and calm the inflammation, the flare-ups will also be less frequent. So if you're dealing with any itching or redness in the skin caused by eczema, here's an herbal wash that you can use to help relieve your irritation. So there's 5 ingredients. I have them all listed out here. You can take a screenshot. Boil these herbs in 2 liters of water for 20 minutes. And after boiling them, you can let it cool and then strain the herbs and use the warm liquid to rinse any affected areas to calm irritation. And you can use this 3 times a day. So you can cook it once and use it 3 times a day. So this is a traditional wash that is used in China to help relieve itch. It's not meant to be a cure, but to manage the discomfort caused by the itch. And to be clear, this herbal wash is just a complementary external care. It is not a replacement for medical treatment. And please remember, if you see any formulas online or any herbalist telling you that you need to take something for eczema, I can't tell you that. I can't advise you to take something without a proper consultation. So for safe and effective results, make sure to visit a Chinese medicine practitioner who is qualified and make sure that your dermatologist or healthcare provider also knows that you're getting complementary treatment. So my channel is all about making the right choices for your health. Instead of fast or quick fixes, it's about what you practice every single day. So if you want to learn more about how to care for your body naturally from the inside out, including making the right food choices, some self-care habits, and some lifestyle tips, comment eczema below, and I'll send you your next steps to learn about your body type and make the right choices for your health. So I hope that helps. Try that and follow me.